Welcome to our ultimate 5-day Tokyo travel itinerary. If you're dreaming of neon lights, bustling streets, and a rich tapestry of culture, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you on an exciting journey through Tokyo, showcasing the must-see highlights that will make your trip unforgettable. From the historic temples of Asakusa to the trendy shops of Harajuku, we'll cover a diverse range of attractions that capture the essence of this vibrant city. You'll discover the best spots to savor authentic Japanese cuisine, from sushi to ramen, and even some hidden gems that locals love. We'll also guide you through the efficient public transport system, ensuring you navigate the city like a pro. But it's not just about the sights and tastes. We'll delve into Tokyo's unique culture, exploring traditions that have shaped this metropolis into what it is today. Whether you're wandering through serene gardens or experiencing the electric atmosphere of Shibuya Crossing, each moment will be filled with wonder. So, if you're ready to immerse yourself in the heart of Japan, grab your notepad and let's dive into this ultimate itinerary. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the tips and insights you need to make the most of your Tokyo adventure. Let's get started. Day 1. Arrival and exploring Shinjuku. Welcome to your first day in Tokyo. After settling into your accommodation, it's time to dive into the vibrant atmosphere of Shinjuku. This bustling district is a perfect introduction to the energy and excitement that Tokyo has to offer. Start your day by visiting the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. Head up to the observation deck for stunning panoramic views of the city skyline. On a clear day, you might even catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji. Next, take a leisurely stroll through Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. This beautiful oasis offers a serene escape from the urban hustle and bustle, featuring traditional Japanese landscapes, cherry blossoms, and tranquil ponds. It's the ideal spot to relax and soak in the natural beauty of Tokyo. As lunchtime approaches, make your way to Omoide Yokocho, a narrow alleyway filled with tiny eateries serving authentic Japanese cuisine. Here, you can savor delicious yakitori, ramen, and other local favorites in a cozy, nostalgic setting. Don't be shy. Try a few different dishes to truly experience the flavors of Japan. As the sun sets, Shinjuku transforms into a nightlife hotspot. Head over to Golden Gai, a unique area known for its narrow alleys lined with tiny bars, each with its own distinct theme and atmosphere. It's a fantastic place to mingle with locals and fellow travelers while enjoying a drink or two. Your first day in Tokyo is sure to be filled with unforgettable experiences. Day 2. Cultural immersion in Asakusa and Ueno. Welcome to Day 2 of your Tokyo adventure. Today, we'll immerse ourselves in the rich cultural heritage of Asakusa and Ueno, showcasing the traditional side of Japan. Start your day at Senso-ji Temple, Tokyo's oldest and most iconic temple. As you walk through the impressive Kaminari-mon Gate, you'll be greeted by the vibrant atmosphere of the temple grounds. Don't forget to snap some photos of the stunning architecture and the famous 5-story pagoda. After exploring Senso-ji, take a leisurely stroll down Nakami Street, a bustling shopping street lined with stalls selling traditional snacks and souvenirs. This is the perfect opportunity to indulge in some delicious street food. Try freshly made ninyo-yaki, small cakes filled with red bean paste, or crispy senbei, rice crackers, for a true taste of local flavors. Next, head over to Ueno Park, a beautiful green space that's home to several museums and cultural institutions. You can visit the Tokyo National Museum to learn about Japan's art and history or explore the Ueno Zoo, which is perfect for animal lovers. The park itself is a lovely place to relax and enjoy the cherry blossoms if you're visiting in spring. As the day winds down, take a moment to reflect on the cultural treasures you've experienced. From the spiritual ambiance of Senso-ji to the artistic wonders of Ueno, today has been a wonderful journey through traditional Japan. Get ready for more adventures tomorrow. Day 3. Modern Tokyo in Shibuya and Harajuku. Welcome to Day 3, where we dive into the modern and trendy aspects of Tokyo. Today, we'll explore the vibrant districts of Shibuya and Harajuku, known for their youthful energy and cutting-edge culture. Start your day at the iconic Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest pedestrian intersections in the world. As the traffic lights change, watch as hundreds of people cross from all directions. It's a mesmerizing sight that perfectly captures the pulse of Tokyo. Be sure to grab a photo with the famous Hachiko statue nearby, a beloved symbol of loyalty. After soaking in the energy of Shibuya, make your way to Harajuku, a district renowned for its unique fashion scene. Head to Takeshita Street, a narrow alley filled with quirky shops, trendy boutiques, and colorful street art. Here, you can find everything from vintage clothing to the latest in Japanese street fashion. Don't forget to try some delicious crepes from one of the many stands lining the street. They're a must-have treat. As the day progresses, treat yourself to a meal at a themed cafe, such as the Robot Restaurant. This one-of-a-kind dining experience combines dazzling performances with a lively atmosphere, making it a fun and memorable way to enjoy your meal. With its neon lights and energetic shows, it's a true reflection of Tokyo's modern spirit. Get ready for a day filled with excitement and creativity as you explore the best of Shibuya and Harajuku. Day 4. Day trip to Nikko. Welcome to Day 4, where we're taking a break from the bustling city and planning a day trip to the stunning town of Nikko. Nestled in the mountains, Nikko is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and rich historical significance, making it a perfect escape from Tokyo. One of the highlights of your visit will be the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the magnificent Toshogu Shrine. This ornate shrine is dedicated to Tokugawa Ieyasu, the founder of the Tokugawa shogunate, and is famous for its intricate carvings and beautiful architecture. Be sure to take your time exploring the grounds and soaking in the serene atmosphere. After visiting Toshogu, head to Lake Chuzenji, a picturesque lake surrounded by lush mountains. The area is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful boat ride. Just a short distance away, you'll find Kegon Falls, one of Japan's most famous waterfalls. The sight of the cascading water is truly awe-inspiring, especially in the autumn when the leaves change color. For transportation, getting to Nikko from Tokyo is quite easy. You can take the Tobu Limited Express train from Asakusa Station, which takes about 2 hours. Once you arrive, local buses can take you to the main attractions, making it convenient to explore the area. With its stunning landscapes and historical treasures, your day trip to Nikko will be a highlight of your Tokyo adventure. Day 5. Shopping and relaxation in Ginza and Odaiba. Welcome to your final day in Tokyo. Today, we'll wrap up your trip with a perfect blend of shopping and relaxation in the upscale district of Ginza and the entertainment hub of Odaiba. Start your day in Ginza, known for its luxury shopping and unique boutiques. Here, you can explore high-end department stores like Mitsukoshi and Ginza 6, as well as charming smaller shops that offer everything from designer fashion to traditional crafts. Don't forget to take a moment to admire the stunning architecture that lines the streets. Ginza is a feast for the eyes. After indulging in some retail therapy, make your way to Odaiba, a futuristic island in Tokyo Bay. Odaiba offers a variety of entertainment options, including shopping malls, amusement parks, and even a giant Gundam statue. Stroll along the waterfront promenade for breathtaking views of the Rainbow Bridge and the Tokyo skyline. It's a great spot for photos and enjoying the sea breeze. As your day winds down, treat yourself to a relaxing experience at an onsen, such as Oedo Onsen Monogatari. This traditional Japanese hot spring theme park allows you to unwind in soothing baths while immersing yourself in Japanese culture. Enjoy the serene atmosphere, indulge in delicious food, and perhaps even try on a yukata. It's the perfect way to end your Tokyo adventure, leaving you refreshed and rejuvenated as you prepare for your journey home. As we wrap up this ultimate 5-day Tokyo travel itinerary, let's take a moment to recap the incredible experiences we've explored together. On Day 1, we dove into the vibrant atmosphere of Shinjuku, visiting the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building and enjoying authentic Japanese cuisine at Omoide Yokocho. Day 2 took us to the cultural heart of Asakusa and Ueno, where we marveled at the historic Senso-ji temple and indulged in delicious street food on Nakami Street. On Day 3, we embraced the modern side of Tokyo in Shibuya and Harajuku, experiencing the bustling energy of Shibuya Crossing and the unique fashion of Takeshita Street. Our Day 4 adventure led us to Nikko, where we explored UNESCO World Heritage Sites and took in the stunning natural beauty of Lake Chuzenji and Kegon Falls. Finally, on Day 5, we wrapped up our trip with shopping in the luxurious Ginza and relaxation in Odaiba, topped off with a soothing visit to an onsen. Throughout this itinerary, we've highlighted the importance of immersing yourself in both the traditional and modern aspects of Tokyo, showcasing the city's rich tapestry of culture and innovation. If you enjoyed this journey and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts.